Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you back to Season Beauties. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. If this is your very first video that you've watched with me, thank you. Thank you for choosing to spend some time with me on today. If you are a returning visitor, subby, OG, or just trolling YouTube, thank you for choosing to come back by. Well, if you are not currently subscribed to this channel, you're going to want to subscribe. I'm just saying, you're going to want to subscribe. Now, if you hit that button below and become a part of the Season Beauties family, you'll get an opportunity to participate in the reason behind this video, okay? Now, if you like what you see on this channel, by all means, become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be happy to have you. There's always room on this family tree. We would be happy to have you as a part of our family. Now, while you're in the general vicinity, go ahead and hit the notification button so you'll know each and every time I load a video, okay? You'll be the first to know. I'll make sure I let you know. So, let me just tell you what's going on. Well, 2 days from now, Season Beauties will have officially been on YouTube for 1 year. And let me celebrate that a little bit. I'm not going overboard, not yet. And the only reason is because I have another giveaway right after this one. However, let's talk about this one. So, in this giveaway, I have a couple of things that we will be giving away. The very first thing will be a Revolution strobe lighting palette. This we will be giving away on this channel, okay, as part of our 1 year anniversary. Then, while we're on the Makeup Revolution thing, we're going to be giving away the Mermaids Forever palette. These are some beautiful colors, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. This is a part of the giveaway as well. Then I had a couple of palettes that I really liked from BoxyCharm, so I ordered some more so I could share them with y'all. This one is the Masquerade palette. Okay. This is what it looks like. I'm sorry. Why am I showing it to you upside down? I don't know. Okay. Now, the palette itself is these beautiful colors right here. These are the face. It's a highlighter, 2 highlighters and a blush. Okay. And, I'm sorry, 2 highlighters, 2 blushes. And then you also have these colors right here that are eyeshadow colors. And this palette right here, which is the Nightingale palette. Okay, and this is by Pretty Vulgar, so this will also be included. Now, my very favorite palette, because I love the transition colors in here and the pigmentation and the, okay, I'm gonna give myself a new one, the usability, how about that, of these shadows. Okay, they're very versatile, and that is in the Juvia's Place Saharan 2. Y'all know, you hear me talk about it anytime you see me do a makeup look. 99.999% of the time, it includes this for the transition colors. Now, I have to show you mine right now because I'm still trying to get it in. So, as of right now, I'm going to say this is a very, very, very strong possibility because I can, although they're now in Ulta. Maybe I'll go down to Ulta if I can't get it off the website. Right now, this is sold out. So, I definitely want to include this as part. Now, if it's sold out, somebody is agreeing with me, you know, about this palette. So, the colors are amazing. Look at that. This is truly a used palette. I have issues with things being dirty, so I do constantly clean my palette off so it doesn't look so awful. But that would be, I'm trying to put this in there as long as I can get it in stock or get here by the time the giveaway rolls around. That will be included. If not, it'll just be these 4 palettes, okay? These 4 right here, okay? But that's not it. That's not the end of the giveaway. This is just the palette part. Now, in addition to that, I will give you a choice of the next 2 items. The first one, well, they're both brush cleaners, okay? However, y'all know I love this. This right here is the portable electronic automatic brush cleaner. Y'all know I love this thing, okay? Y'all go back and check my video. I'll leave it in the iCard at the top so you can go and take a look at it. I love this thing. It's amazing. 20 seconds. For me, 30 seconds. And the only reason you'll know is if you watch why I'm saying 30 seconds, okay? So you have your choice to either get that one or the Sonia Kashuk brush cleaner set, okay? This comes with, let's see, shampoo, the spray, a balm, and a scrubbing pad, okay? So that you can clean your brushes this way. So you do have a choice. You can choose this or you can choose the automatic one, okay? So that part, the choice will be yours. Now, I will leave the instructions and I will leave the instructions and the rules for this giveaway below. I'm not even going to make you go read through the description box. I'm going to make this the first stable, solid comment in the comment section. And this will let you know exactly how to enter the giveaway. Now, to everyone who decides to become a part of this giveaway, to enter, I say to you, good luck. Do what you do. I promise you it's not a whole lot of crazy stuff that you have to do, you know, not at all. Just a couple of steps. And of course, you have to be a subby. So if you're interested in this giveaway, go ahead and be ready to enter. Okay. So these are some of the palettes that I really, really like. I really enjoy using. And of course, this one, I'm going to try my hardest because this giveaway is not, we have 2 weeks. Okay, it's not going to be until the last day of November. That is when this giveaway will come to a close. So who knows, it may be more stuff added on. Okay, I get stuff daily, so you never know. It may be some extra things in there as well. So to all who decide, good luck. Thank you for being a part of Seasoned Beauties. Thank you for encouraging. Thank you for all that you have done down through this year to help me stay positive on my channel. You know, we have haters, but that's fine too. Y'all do what you do. I don't care. Okay, now I do want to let you know that there will be a giveaway, another giveaway in December. Why? Because it's my birthday. And I'm going to link another iCard at the top, and that will tell you what that giveaway will be. I'm telling you, just watch it. You're going to want that. I promise you, you are going to want that. That one is not until next month. So let's get through this one and then take a look at the iCard and see what's coming up for the next one. Well, as always, thank you for spending time with me on today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. By all means, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.